Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a clean, non-greasy canvas. Wipe lids and apply a thin matte primer so liner stays crisp. Once done, pick a creamy pencil or gel for precise control. Sharper formulas can tug. Make a light guideline, a dotted line close to the lashes from inner third outward, keeping strokes short and steady. Use a small angled brush or tight line technique to deposit pigment between lashes. This increases contrast and visually widens the eye while staying natural. Now tighten the technique. Gently lift your upper lid and apply liner to the upper waterline to fill sparse gaps. This makes lashes appear fuller without visible heavy lines. Then draw a very short outer wing, no more than 2 millimeters, angled slightly upward to lift the eye. Once done, smudge the outermost point with a tiny brush and set with matte shadow to diffuse harsh edges. This preserves the illusion of size while keeping the look open and bright. Finish by opening the eye. Apply a nude or soft white pencil to the inner lower waterline. This reflects light and instantly makes the iris look larger. Once that's set, trace a very thin, soft brown along the outer third of the lower lash line to balance the upper wing. Blend lightly to avoid heaviness. Make sure to curl lashes and apply mascara to upper lashes only. This lifts and prevents lower mascara from closing the eye. If liner smudges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.